In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix plugin or theme update failed in WordPress. If you've ever seen an update fail and weren't sure what to try next, this walkthrough will guide you through simple, safe actions you can take right inside your WordPress dashboard. First, open your WordPress website and sign in to the admin area so you're on the dashboard. From here, we'll start with themes, because a theme that's active and healthy can often help you complete updates more reliably. On the left-hand menu, click Appearance, then click Themes. You'll see a list of all the themes you have installed. If you notice that one theme is working correctly, while others are giving you trouble, activate the theme that you know is working. Activating a stable theme temporarily helps ensure your site is using code that isn't in the middle of a failed update. Once the working theme is active, select the theme that failed to update and try updating it again. This simple switch can clear minor hiccups and allow the update to complete. Don't worry, activating a different theme for a moment doesn't delete your settings. You can always switch back after the update succeeds. Next, let's look at plugins, because plugin conflicts can also cause updates to fail. Go to the left-hand menu, click Plugins, then Installed Plugins. Locate the plugin that failed to update, or the one you suspect might be causing interference. Deactivate it, wait a moment for the page to refresh, and then activate it again. This quick deactivate and reactivate cycle refreshes the plugin's state and can resolve temporary conflicts that block updates. It does not remove the plugin's data or settings. It simply turns it off and back on, so WordPress can reinitialize it cleanly. After reactivating, try the update again for that plugin. If the update goes through, you're all set. If you're working through several plugins, repeat the same deactivate and reactivate step on the ones that were failing, one at a time, testing the update after each. Taking it step by step makes it easier to see what fixed the issue. A couple of final reminders as you work. Give each action a moment to complete before moving to the next, and keep your browser tab open while WordPress processes updates. Small connection hiccups or brief timeouts can look like bigger problems, but often a quick refresh of the theme or plugin state is all that's needed. That's it. By opening your site, checking appearance and themes, activating a working theme before updating, and then deactivating and reactivating plugins from installed plugins, you can clear most minor update failures quickly and safely.